Chuck with Screen America, and I'm here at a customer's home who's had one of our screens since 2007. And we're going to do a track replacement today because after almost 20 years, the tracks have become a little bit brittle and they're starting to break up a little bit. So we're going to do a quick track replacement. Okay, I have one of our new tracks here, and a couple of important things to note. This is the top of the track with the flared end. This part that's squared off here we call the shoulder. And when you get your tracks, they are always going to be longer than the opening. It will have to be cut from the bottom end. So you're going to want to cut that bottom end off to the right height. And then this flared end will extend up into the housing. We removed the old track, and now we're going to install the new track. We're going to use the slots in the back of the angle to attach the track, but we don't want to tighten the screws all the way at first. Okay, we got the new tracks in. Now we're going to run the screen up and down a couple times to let the tracks move out or in, depending on what it needs to do. Tracks are adjusted, so now we're just going to tighten the screws in the back and put on the cover strips. Okay, so I got to put one edge of the track into the cover strip into the slot, and I push the other edge in with my thumb, like that, slide it up. Just like the tracks, the cover strip's a little bit long, so we got to trim it at the bottom. That's it.